Hi there, I'm Alan Pun, a creative director based in Hong Kong. If you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner looking to learn Photoshop in order to create marketing materials, then this is the course for you. This is a course made for beginners, and we teach you the fundamentals of Photoshop through practical lessons with real-life applications. We start you off with a really simple lesson on how to create a business card. Then with each new lesson, we take you through gradually more complex projects, such as how to create eye-catching social media posts, how to remove unwanted objects from your images, how to edit your photos, how to automate repetitive tasks, and even how to use the latest AI tools to do what used to take hours to do before. As a business owner, we know you're busy, so we're not going to waste your time teaching you every single tool that exists in Photoshop that you're not going to use 90% of the time anyway. We're only going to be teaching you the fundamentals that you'll be using in your everyday life. Photoshop is one of the most powerful tools you can learn as an entrepreneur. So we're excited to have you on board. Join this Nexttut course today and start learning.